Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Travel and Food Journey with Kizang. And friends, today's vlog is going to be about how most people actually get back home every night after work here in New York City. Because I know not too many people talk about this, you know, they show all the videos about daytime, but usually if you're working late, nighttime, this is how you actually commute to home. First, you have to either take the bus or train. And for example, here I'm taking a train for me to get back to my home, so it will be about my travel here. And friends, please keep in mind, I'm only actually talking about my travel. This is my everyday, like 15 to 16 hours, you know, after work, how I travel back home. So please keep that in mind, everyone. It's almost midnight and I just got off the bus right now, and now I have to find the train station that will take me towards home. Friends, you know how, like when I was growing up, I used to always hear that New York City, you know, a place called New York City never sleeps. So this is the perfect example. I mean, just enjoy, friends, because you come here during the daytime. Of course, you don't see all these shiny lights, but this is nighttime, and look at lots of people still, you know, walking on the streets here, especially in Manhattan. It doesn't happen like that in other parts of the borough, which Queens or like any Brooklyn, you know, it's not like this, but only in Manhattan is where you will see lots of people like walking. You will see it like throughout the night, be it like 5 o'clock or like 4 o'clock, you know, you'll see lots of people walking here. So friends, this is the place where New York never sleeps. So enjoy, friends. So finally I'm at the train station, and now here I really have to run because I can hear the train coming, and this is usually what it happens. Or otherwise, you know, if I just take my sweet time to walk down the stairs, or like, you know, I will miss that train. And especially if it's night after 12 p.m. you will have to wait another like 15 to 20 minutes for another train. Okay friends, so exactly that's what I'm doing, and I'm running towards the train because the train just pulled in right now. See, as you see. So I am super happy that I caught this train, which I didn't have to wait another 15-20 minutes. And look at everybody, friends, here. I mean, you cannot see the faces of the people, how tired they are at this time, and it's like 12 after, I mean, it's after midnight now. Because of the face mask, you can't see people's faces. You know, most of the people here look so tired, and some people are falling asleep. So, you know, it's just, this is how life is here in New York. And So everyone is standing very quietly, but of course everyone is so tired. And like I said, this is life here in New York City. It could be the same for other parts of the world also, but I'm just talking about how every night commute happens this way for most of the people. And friends, after the train I have to now transfer to a bus, and it's like 12:45, almost 15 minutes to 1 a.m. right now. And look at the people here in the bus, friends. I mean, you can't see directly because they're wearing face masks, like same thing in the train also. But everyone is super tired here, and I just didn't want to point camera at people's, the other side also, because I know people will feel agitated since they're all tired. And but I was able to show you some few people here.
Thank you.
I just got off my bus and it's like 1 a.m. already, so now I have to walk like another 15 minutes from getting off the bus just to get home. And friends, I mean, I am super tired also since my day started from 7 a.m. and it's like 1 a.m. So this is usually how the routine here in New York it is. And like I said, a lot of people don't talk about the commute and all that, and then how many hours people travel during a day here just to get to work, school, or whatever. I mean, by the time you leave, it should be like 7 or 8 in the morning, and then by the time you get home, it's like midnight or 1 a.m. or sometimes even later than that. So friends, I hope you enjoyed watching my travel during nighttime here in New York City. If you did, please do like, share, and subscribe. And friends, the most important thing is how safe you want to travel, and be cautious when you are traveling nighttime, because you always have to keep yourself on guard and make sure you watch all your surroundings. So friends, and stay safe, share lots of love, happiness, and peace to you all. And thank you for watching my video. I am almost home and like super excited. Even my feet is completely dragging right now, even though I'm scared walking on the street where there's nobody except me, but I have to keep on going. So friends, thank you again. Bye bye.